Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2014 Genuine Scooter Co. Buddy 170 with 3,601 miles runs well and has been upgraded with the TRIKE kit. The Buddy 170 is a capable and enthusiastic scooter, with the TRIKE kit offering extra stability for the right rider. The Buddy is powered by a 168cc engine paired to a CVT transmission, giving it a peppy punch and a top speed of 55 miles per hour. In stock form, it has a dry weight of only 243 pounds and plenty of under-seat storage. With 90 miles per gallon, this would be a fun, economical three-wheel commuter. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the scooter will need a new bright tire for the TRIKE kit. This opportunity vehicle is being sold as is. We encourage you to see and hear the bike in person. If you are unable to, we will be happy to do a live inspection via Skype or FaceTime. Please give us a call for more information.